I recently acquired this 1936/37 Cord. This particular car was restored in the early 50s and it's just been kept up all this time. The Cord was way ahead of its time when it came out. It was a front-wheel drive car. Second, it was the first production car with disappearing headlights. The first production car without running boards. And this is one most people don't think about. It was the first production car with a concealed gas tank cap. It has a little door that covers the gas tank cap. So that was a first for the Cord. This car has won, or these cars have won all kinds of awards for design and the beauty of the Cord. Gordon Buick is the one who's credited with the design of this car. This particular car here has a special trunk on the back. The total run of the Cords was 3,009. This particular car, there's only 2 automobiles exactly like it because it has what's called a bustle-back trunk on the rear. Both these cars are still in existence. That's the reason they keep them going. Of these 3,900 cars, the estimate is about 750 of them still in existence. If you saw earlier when I exited the car, I opened the door and it's hinged at the rear. Well, most people nowadays call these doors suicide type door because they, on modified hot rods and stuff, they change them where they hang open like suicide. But when I was younger, we had a different name for it. We called them Seymour doors. And what most people say, well, what do you mean Seymour? I say, well, if a lady's sitting in that car and when she opens the door, she puts her left leg out, normally it spreads her dress up and you think you might see farther up than you normally do. So that's why we call them the Seymour door.